Let me just check internet is there or not. Internet is not there. Okay, no problem with that. That is not working. LAN. Okay, it is working. Working. Be silent. Be silent. Be silent. Be perfectly silent. It's working. It's working. Okay. Everything is working over here. Okay. Hi YouTube families. Hi students. How are you? Okay. Okay. Hey, be silent now. Do not make noise. HM, look over here. Now take out your question paper. Okay. We are going to solve it. Be silent. Hey, do not make noise. Okay. Okay. So today class is basically based upon current electricity. Yes or no? So numericals. Wait. Take out your rough sheets. Answer key I have given or not? Okay, so answer key is your answer key is available on my table. Got it or not? Okay, you can take it. So numericals on current electricity. Okay. Before going through the solutions, a little bit of digression. I was q by t. Yes or no? And it was also equal to dq by dt. Yes or no? Okay. Next thing. Second formula was what? R is equal to rho L by A. This was the formula or not? Huh? Okay. Third formula mu is equal to mobility was what? What was that? Drift velocity by electric field or not? Tell me yes or no? Drift velocity by electric field or not? Last formula, and that was including drift velocity, I was equal to NEA VD. Yes or no? Where A was what? Area of cross section. Got it or not? Okay, means little bit of digression I am doing. Okay. After that, resistance was equal to 1 by conductance G. Got it or not? Okay. Resistance is equal to 1 by conductance G, while resistivity is equal to 1 by conductivity sigma. Understood or not? Tell me. Conductance and conductivity are two important things. Conductance is this. Okay. And it is conductivity. After that, next formula is what? Last formula involving sigma. So electric field J equal to, can I write now electric field or electric current density J equal to I by A, but it was also equal to something into sigma E or what? E is equal to, J is equal to sigma E or what? Tell me. J is equal to sigma E, conductivity into electric field E, or I can write it as electric field by resistivity. So all of these only 7 formulas, or you can say 8 formulas based upon this, all the question paper was there. Okay. And different kinds of little bit of arrangement, but 90% of the problem was based upon these formulas, 8 formulas only. So I'm starting first question. Okay, go through it. What it is saying: a steady current flows in the metallic conductor of non-uniform cross section. What kind of cross section? Non-uniform cross section. The quantity constant along the length of the conductor. So can you give me an example of non-uniform cross section? Is this an example of non-uniform cross section or not? Yes or no? Tell me. What is happening? Area of the wire is increasing with respect to the length, but it is asking what remains. Means if I consider from here point P to point Q, this is my length of the conductor or not? Point P to Q. Along this particular length of the conductor, what remains constant? First thing, what is going to change? Drift velocity is dependent upon area. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. I is equal to NEA VD. That means what? Drift velocity is dependent upon area. So drift velocity is not correct. Right or not? Drift velocity definitely depends upon area. Electric field also depends. What I write? J is equal to sigma into E. Yes or no? So that means what? J is I by A, and that is equal to sigma into electric field E. So E depends upon 1 by area also. Electric field also depends upon area. Hey, do not talk now. Do your work na Chandru. So what remains constant? What remains constant? Current remains constant. Do you come over here with your chair? Come, come. Bring your chair over here. What happened? Sit. I, hey, if you change that, here it will be changed. Okay. So what remains constant? Hey, electric field remains variant. Drift velocity remains variant. What remains constant is your current. Got it or not? Okay. So current remains constant. Okay. Option D. Yes or no? Okay. Second question. The length of the conductor is half. The conductance will be. What was conductance? 1 by resistivity or not? Similar question. G was equal to 1 by resistance. Got it or not? Okay. Resistance is equal to rho L by A. So what will happen? This will be 1 by rho L into length A. So if you decrease the length by half, what is going to happen? Conductance will be doubled or not? Tell me yes or no? Yes or no? So conductance G prime is equal to twice of G. It becomes double. Why? Because L prime is now L by 2. So G prime is nothing but 1 by rho L by 2 into area A. 2 goes up. So 2 A by rho L. This is what? G. So G prime is twice of G. Got it or not? Yes or no? Yes, na? So option C is correct. Okay. Are you able to get me or not? Tell me. Okay, 1 point, just 1 point. Right. Hmm. Can I move to next question? Okay, try next question. Try next question. What it is saying? A current of 3.2 ampere is flowing through a conductor. This equal to is nothing. The number of electrons flowing per second. Easy, no? Have you done it? Okay. Option D is correct. How? I is equal to Q by T. Yes or no? Now, if some charges are going to move, like number of electrons is going to move, so N into charge of one electron divided by time, that is equal to current. So 3.2 is equal to number of electrons into charge of one electron, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Time is what? 1 second. If you put it, you get N is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 19 numbers of electrons. Yes or no? Tell me. Are you able to get me now? Option 8 D is correct. Got it? Everyone? How many guys have done correct? Good. It's increasing. Can I move to next question? Question number 4. Solve this question. What happened, HM? The number of free electrons is, okay, this time number of free electrons are given. Drift velocity of electron in a conductor of area of cross section 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square for a current of 1.2 ampere. Easy. I is equal to NEA VT. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, number of free electrons are given. Drift velocity is asking. Area of cross section is also mentioned. What is mentioned also? Current is also mentioned. Everything is given. Just you have to calculate the drift velocity. Yes or no? So VT will be what? I by NE A. Current is 1.2. Number of electrons or number here is how much? 5 into 10 to the power of 28 into electric. This E is how much? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb, and area of cross section is how much? 10 to the power of minus 4 given. If you put it, you'll be able to definitely get the answer. Try to calculate it, everyone. How much you are getting? Option D. Wait. Okay. Hi sir, I'm a big fan of you. I'll kill you. Shreya is that answer? Okay. So wait. The answer of this question is question number 4 now. Option D. 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Question number 4, option D. Good or not, huh? Yes or no? Can I move to next question? Question number 5. Solve it fast. Hey, do not talk. What happened? I'll kill you. You are not there. It is okay. Do not make noise, guys. This is going. Okay. Question number 5. Do the work now, please. Question number 5. The wire of resistance R is stretched by its length. Like its length is increased by how much percentage? 10%. The resistance of wire increased by. It is telling the resistance of the wire increases by. It's not told that how much percentage resistance has increased. It has told the resistance has increases by. So I have given one formula that if length is if stretching happens, what I have told, look over here. For stretching cases, if stretching happens, what remains constant? Volume remains constant or not? Tell me yes or no. Volume remains constant. Okay, so R is equal to rho L by A, correct? Yes or no? So rho length L divided into length L divided by area into length L. I can write like this or not? Tell me yes or no. So rho by V into L square I got. Now rho by V remains constant. That means what? That resistance is directly proportional to L square if you stretch the length. Yes or no? I can take the differentiation. Delta R by R can be written as twice of delta L by L. Now this is what delta R by R percentage is equal to twice of delta L by L percent. Yes or no? Yes or no? So now look over here. If I increase the length by 10%, if I increase the length by 10%, resistance increases by total 20% or not? Tell me. But one thing is that delta R by R is 20%. So if delta change in length is by 10%, so delta L by L is how much? 10% or not? Tell me yes or no. It is given now. How much is the length increased? It is given as 10%. So delta L by L is, you have been given delta L by L is your 10%. So delta R by R is going to be how much? 20%. Got it or not? Yes or no? But what is delta R? Delta R is nothing but total resistance, new resistance minus initial resistance divided by initial resistance or not. That is equal to 20%. Got it or not? Everyone tell me, Chandrasri, are you able to understand or not? Now, what I can do? I can write now R prime minus 1 is equal to 20%. So R prime is nothing but 21%. So new resistance, that particular new resistance which you are going to get is nothing but it is equal to 21%. Are you able to understand or not? Are yes or no? Initial resistances are, new resistance is 21 R. So 21 minus 1 R is how much? 20 R or not? So therefore total increase is how much? 20%. Understood or not? Yes or no? Silly mistake everyone will do now. Everyone will either write 20% or either they will write 10%. Got it or not? If also 10% would have been option now. So everyone will either write 20% or 10%, but answer is actually 21%. Got it or not? How many have done correct this problem? HMNT goda. Okay, good. Can I move ahead? Question number 6. What it is saying, a fuse wire of radius 0.2 millimeter blows out of a current of 5 ampere. For another current, another fuse wire of same material but of radius 0.3 millimeter will blow out at what current? Now you are not aware. Try to understand this. Okay. So this is my wire. This is my wire over here. Okay. Now what is happening? This is my fuse wire. Consider, okay. This fuse wire has a length L. Okay. It has a radius. Sorry. It has a radius R. Got it or not? So try to understand if current will flow through it. Due to the resistance, it will get heated or not. Tell me yes or no. Are yes or no? Dhanush, are you able to understand? If the current flows through it, since resistance is there in the wire, what will happen? It will get heated. Got it or not? How much heat will be produced? How much heat will be produced? It is equal to I square R into time T. What is that? I square into resistance R of the material into time T. Heat produced in the wire due to the current and the resistance of the wire in the total time T is how much? I square RT. Are you aware of this or not? Class 10th formula, yes or no? H is equal to I square RT. Got it or not? Yes or no? No, if heat you have got that. Listen here, what is there? You have in terms of radius, you have in terms of current. So I can write resistance as rho L by A or not. Tell me yes or no? Yes or no? Now, so RH is equal to I square rho L by A into time T. Got it or not? This is the main formula, but still not, it is not over. Now try to understand how the fuse wire is getting blasted. If heat is provided to it, then the total amount of heat should go out or not. Tell me yes or no. If that heat does not go out, what will happen? That wire will break. Got it or not? Huh? So what should happen? Heat produced should be equal to heat lost also. Okay. So let's suppose heat loss is H, but heat lost will happen from where? It will happen from all this volume of the cylindrical fuse or not? Tell me yes or no. So heat into what you have to multiply? Surface area of the cylindrical wire you have to multiply. So heat into surface area of cylindrical wire. Little bit logical question. Okay. Not a simple question. You have to think about these kind of questions little bit. Got it or not? Yeah. So if a fuse wire is there, it is not visible or what? Okay. So heat is how much? Okay, I will write heat. Cylindrical surface area of cylindrical wire is how much? 2 pi r into length L. Got it or not? Yes or no? This is the surface area of cylindrical wire or not? Huh? Now heat produced is what? I square rho L by A into time T. Yes or no? Or yes or no? So try to understand here. Length L got cancelled. I square area is what? Okay, I will write I square is nothing but heat into 2 pi r into area divided by time t into rho. So what you got as I square? I square is nothing but what? What happened? Okay. So I square is how much? It is equal to h into 2 pi r into area A divided by t into rho. Now what? Try to write this formula. Okay. I'm going to again do it. I'm again going to do it in the class. Got it or not? Okay. When I'll give the whole description of it. When I'll give what is called as heat in terms of current. Okay. So first you try to understand this. Now you try to understand this is what? I square is heat into 2 pi into radius r into area. Area is what? Pi r square or not? Tell me yes or no. Pi r square in divided by time into resistivity rho. Time remains constant, resistivity remains constant, heat remains constant, radius of the wire varies or not. So if someone asks you that in the wire, if someone asks you that in a wire of radius r, how the current varies. Resistance, you know, resistance is 1 by r square or not, tell me yes or no. If someone asks you how the current varies now, so actually current varies as I square directly proportional to radius cube. This is the relation. Means current varies at, like a square of the current is directly proportional to cube of the radius inside a wire. Understood or not? Tell me yes or no. Resistance is what? Resistance is 1 by r square, but current is r radius to the power of 2 3 by 2. Right or not? Understood or not? Will you remember this? Yes or no? So this means what? I can put, we know radius is there, current is there. Okay. So what will be the relation? I1 by I2 whole square is nothing but R1. I'll represent radius as a small R1 by R2 whole cube. Understood? This is the relation. Remember this. That variation, if someone asks you, can I take another page or are you guys writing? Okay. So variation of current with respect to radius is given as, okay, that is I square is directly proportional to r cube. I1 by I2 square is nothing but equal to r1 by r2 cube. Right or not? Second point is, this is the first important point. Second most important point is resistance with respect to, do not talk now, resistance with respect to radius. Now resistance is inversely proportional to 1 by area or not? Area is what? 1 by pi r square. So resistance varies as 1 by r square while current varies at r to the power of 3 by 2. Vanessa, understood or not? Yes or no? Chandru, okay. Mithras, okay. Ranath, okay or not? Okay. Okay. So here, can you put it or not? Tell me, can you put I1 by I2, R1 by R2, yes or no? Yes or no? I1 is given, R1 is given, I2 is given, R1, R2 you have to calculate, right or not? Okay. So what will be the relation? I am putting it over here. I1 is 5 ampere, I2 you need to find out square. R1 is given 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. R2 is given 0.3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter whole cube. If you do it, you will get the answer. Understood or not? It is easy or not? If you know the relation, it is a easy question. Got it or not? Okay. So this is the most important point of this question. So when you will solve it, you will get the option as, sixth one is option A. Answer will be 5 ampere out here. It will be approximately 5 ampere. Got it? Current remains sometimes same. Yes or no? It is in terms of cube, it is in terms of square. That is why it is remaining same over here. Can I move ahead? Can I move ahead? Yes. Okay, 6. Okay, okay. 7. 7 number. Do not talk. What it is saying? Two identical resistors are connected in parallel, then connected in series. The effective resistance are in ratio. Anyone? Seventh is, answer it. It's a practiced. Huh? So two identical resistors. Identical resistors means what? Same resistance or not? R and R. Yes or no? They are first connected in 4 R got cancelled, it will become 1 by 4 or not? Yes or no? R parallel by R series is what? R by 2 divided by 2R. R got cancelled, it is 1 by 4. Option C. Got it or not? Chandru, were able to understand? Easy problem or Tumba easy problem? Level 1 problem. Okay. Just level 1 problem these are. Sulabha. Tumba Sulabha. Can I move to next question? What? Are you going to write it? Janela. Question number 8. Tumba Sulabha problem. Is I am doing correct now? Kannada correct now? Correct. The effective resistance between A and B in the figure is. The effective resistance between AB in the figure is. How to solve this problem? Any idea? If I tell you the answer is wait. No, no. Okay, it is 2 are given. Okay, okay. Can you do it? Anyone? No. So look over here. Tumba is the problem. Look at Tumba. If I connect this with a battery, okay, if I connect this with a battery, wait, listen me. This point will be having potential V or not? This point will be having zero potential or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. 1 and V, 1 and 0. So this point will be also having similar potential V or not? Yes, sir. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Now it is connected with here. So this point will be also having similar potential. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Yes, class, okay or not? Here it is 0, so this point will be also having zero potential or not? Yes or no? Yes, sir. So if it is 0, this will be also 0. V 0, 0, V 0. Yes or no? How to make it? These are not in one line. So how to make it in one line? I can make one V over here, one 0 over here. Yes or no? Or I can do, I can connect one resistor, resistor R, resistor 2R, resistor R. All of them are in V0 or not? Yes or no? Yes, sir. All of these gap of resistor, take this. At the end of the resistor, how much potentials are there? V and 0. On this 2 are V and 0. On this are V and 0. How it is possible if I make them in parallel connection? Got it or not? So if I make them in parallel connection, all of these resistors have similar drop of the potential. V0, V0, V0. No more. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. So can I do it? Yes, sir. Can I do it or not? Effective resistance. What will be that? 1 by R plus 1 by 2R plus 1 by HM. HM means HM. That is what? HM, I'm making you popular. This video is going on YouTube. Got it or not? Huh? Okay. So how much is this resistor? 2R. 2R plus, sorry, 2 plus 1 plus 1. So this is what? 5 by 2R. R effective is how much? 2R by 5. Option C. Option C. Good or not? Yes or no? Okay. 4 exams it has came. JEE 2003. After that, NEET 2011. After that, UPPSC 2013. After that, KSET 2016. So these kind of questions are very much important. These are not based upon Wheatstone, okay? But people will do in terms of Wheatstone. They will remove one R and then they will thought it as a short circuit and then they will tell the total resistance is 2R. Yes, they will do that. Answer will be given as 2R. How many guys have done 2R? No. Yes, I know 2 guys will do. Okay, I know it. Okay, can I move to next question? Ninth. Two ohm resistors are connected to form a triangle. 8. Two ohm resistors are connected to form a triangle. The resistance between A This is my triangle or not? Tell me yes or no? Yes or no? Two more, two more, two more. What you guys are doing? Huh? I will kill you. Look over here. Point A, point B. Next time I will just switch off all of these desktop. Hey, any desktop is on? No. Turn it, turn it. Turn it right now. I will be killed then. Okay. So now look over here. Triangle is there. Each is pointing to resistor. Yes or no? So on each and every ends of the triangle, 2 resistors are there. Okay. I asked, like, find the resistance between any two corners. So I selected this corner, A and B. So if I select between A and B, these two resistors will become in series or not? Tell me yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So 2 and 2 R is becoming in series. It is how much? 5R. Sorry, 4R. And this is how much? R. So can you calculate the effective resistance? R effective will be what? R into 4R divided by R plus of 4R. Yes or no? Or yes or no? So R into 4R is what? 4R square divided by 5R. And R got cancelled. 4 by. Hey, wait. This is 2R, na? 2R. No, 7. It will be 6. So 4 by 3. So answer R effect is how much? 4 by 3 ohm. Okay. Option D is correct. Got it or not? Yes or no? Okay. Grace marks. Huh? You got grace marks. No grace marks. Question number, can I move ahead? You got write it fast. Do it fast. Can I move to next question? Yes or no? Question number 10. The resistance of two conductor in series is 40 ohm and in parallel is 7.5 ohm. The resistance of the conductor. Okay. So consider one resistance to be equal to X ohm. Got it or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? If I am taking another resistance to be R1 is equal to X, R2 is equal to Y. X plus Y is how much? It is equal to 40. So this implies what? Y is how much? 40 minus X. Got it or not? Yes or no? When X and Y are connected in parallel, this is how much? 7.5 ohm. So 7.5 is equal to X and Y. That is R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Yes or no? This will be relation or not? Tell me. Yes, sir. So R1 is X into Y divided by X plus Y. Got it or not? 7.5 is 7.5 by 10. Then 75 by 10. X into 40 minus X divided by X plus 40 minus X. X cancel. 40 over here. 0 cancel. 75 into 4. It is how much? It is how much? 75 into 4? Do it. You will get. So try to understand. Here I will get a x square minus 40x plus 75 into 4 is equal to 0. I will get one quadratic equation or not? Tell me yes or no. And every quadratic equation has two roots or not? Tell me. Yes or no. Here I will get one positive, another negative root. Okay. Which resistor I will consider? I will consider the positive resistor. Using that positive resistor, put that value over here and you will get the answer. Got it or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yeah. So, what will be the answer of question number 10? It is B, 10 and 13. Understood or not? अरे yes or no? Okay. Got it or not? Dhanus, HM, Nathilas, Pragna, Chandru, okay or not? Manasa, okay. Not sweet. Question number 11. Move fast. Do this fast. A wire has a resistance how much? 12 ohm. It is bent in form of a circle. The effective resistance between 2 points of any diameter. Arey, I have done it. I have done it. Point A and B. How much? 12. Circle. North part 6. Bound part 6. Answer is 6 into 6 pi. 6 plus 6. 36 pi. 12. 12. 4s are 36. 3 का sorry 12 3s are 36. Hey, YouTube guys, I know multiplication. Do not take tension. Okay. If you are rat, then I am cat. Then it's good or not. Okay. Huh? You knew. I knew. R effective is what? First important thing, resistance is dependent upon length. If it is 12, if I do it in full circle, half of the part will be 6 ohm, half of the part will be 6 ohm. Yes or no? Now, if I calculate R effective, it will be what? 6 into 6 divided by 6 plus 6. That is why it is equal to 3 ohms. Understood? Yeah. Silly mistake, na? How many guys have done? How many guys have done correct? Is it not correct? They are correct. They are. Easy questions you guys are not doing correct. Hey, correct. Question number 12. When cells are connected in series, think when you connect the cells in series, what increases? Battery power will increase or not? Yes or no? Hey, first important thing, listen. Is current is dependent upon potential difference? Is I, can I write I directly proportional to V? Can I write I directly proportional to V? If V increases, current increases. Can I say that? Yes, I can say. Yes. Huh? But remember that this is only possible if you connect, if you take one battery. Remember that what happens with normal wires, what remains unchanged, current is independent of potential. Current is independent of potential. Current depends upon number of charges. Current is dependent upon number of conductors or not? Tell me yes or no. Upon number of conductors. Tell me yes or no, guys. In the wire, how many free electrons are there? On that current depends. If you increase the potential, it is not going to say that I'll increase the number of free electrons. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yeah. Let's suppose a water tank is there and there is a down particular tap over there. So in the water in the pipe depends, or the speed of the water depends upon that those pipes or what? No, no, it does not depend upon those pipes. But how much water, the flow of water, the speed of the water, is it dependent upon those taps which you are using? No, no, it does not. It does not depends. It depends upon how much thick is my wire, how much thick is my pipe, how much thin is my pipe. Yes or no? It does not depend upon that tap, got it or not? Okay, and it also not depends upon the water content in the particular tank. Yes or no? Are you able to understand me or not? So current is dependent upon number of conductor. It is not dependent upon potential difference. Understood? Second thing, that is why it is dependent upon resistance. So current is independent of this connection of batteries. Current capacity increases, decreases, it is not possible. Potential difference decreases, it is not possible. What is going to happen? If you connect them in series, battery capacity increases. So EMF increases. Understood or not? Are yes or no? Yes, sir. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Okay, write this fast, write this fast. Current, it is independent of potential. Very much important point. Everyone get confused in that. Is this okay or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Next question. 13. Tumba is the problem. A closed circuit EMF and internal resistance of battery are E and R respectively. The external resistance of the battery is capital R. The current flowing through the circuit will be G na resistance capital R. Okay. Battery of internal resistance small r. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Its potential difference, like this particular V will be given as what? E minus I into a small r plus capital R or not? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now it is a closed circuit. It is asking if EMF and E are also all of these things are mentioned, then the current flowing through the circuit will be how much current will flow? Within this whole potential difference, can I consider this V should be equal to 0? Yes or no? Yes or no? Inside that battery, V should be equal to 0 or not?
Sir.
So inside the battery, V is 0, EMF E minus I R plus capital R. So therefore, total current is how much? E by R plus
Ah.
capital R. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you think about if someone says you find the potential over here, find the current over here. So this current is dependent upon this V, got it or not? You can't calculate over here. But actually you can actually understand that how much current is inside. So at that time potential becomes zero and you can calculate the current. Understood or not? Yes or no?
Sir.
Can you move ahead? Writing. Let me pause. So option B is correct. 13 option B. Can I do next questions? Yes, yes. I'm going to teach you about J advance. Definitely Mati Ranga Swami. I'm going to teach through J advance. Who is that? Right. Can you move ahead? Now be silent perfectly. Question number 14. Carbon 14. What is it saying? Violet, yellow, brown, golden. Yes or no?
741.
Hmm?
741.
741.
Yes, sir.
What is that? B, Roy of
Numericals.
Baby Roy of Great Britain.
No, sir. Close.
Baby Roy of
Great.
Britain. Should I write B again?
No, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Great Britain have very good wine. Very good wine. Right or not?
Yes, sir.
So what happens with very good white? It takes golden and white also. Got it or not? Okay. So BB Roy of Great Britain has very good white. Apply that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First is violet now, so option is 7. After that, here 10. 10 or 0? 10 now, 10 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3, and go on. Okay. So now look over here. Here at 7, it will be 10 to the power of 6 now. 7 now. Yes or no? So violet then yellow. Yellow is what? Yellow is 10 to the power of 4. Is I'm correct?
No, sir. Sir, after various some two others.
Okay, it is your task to do. Okay. To check the particular series. 8 row. After that, yellow is there now. So 10 to the power of, sorry. Yellow is 4. Okay. I have forgotten. First number, then again number. After that multiplication comes. Yes or no? After that brown. Brown is there. So brown is 10 to the power of 1. So 10 to the power of 1. And golden. So plus minus. This is 5%. Yes or no? Tendency is how much?
It is gray and white.
For golden it is 5%. Got it or not? Okay.
But I know.
Okay. So now look over here. So 70 upon 10 to the power of 1 plus minus 5%. So answer will be 741. Got it or not? Yes or no? Okay. 741. So 740 only.
Huh?
741. It should be 740 now.
Approximately 7%. Yeah.
Actually, the answer should be 740. But answer is given 741. Right or not? Plus minus 1. Okay. Can you move ahead? 15. Yes. Sure. 8. Now, resistance of wire, length is given 8 meter, area of cross section is given, conductance is given. So, R is equal to rho L by A or not. Tell me yes or no? R is equal to 1 by G, rho L by A. It is asking resistivity of the material. So, rho is equal to 1 by Z, A by L. Put it over there. What is 1 G is given 2.45. Area is given 8 millimeter square. So 8 into 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square. Got it or not? Yes or no? After that, length is given 8 meter. Say 8. This will be correct. So 1 by 2.45 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Yes or no? Okay. So what should be the answer? Anyone have calculated? 15th is? Anyone? Answer is C. 4.1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 seconds. Just one concept. Resistance is equal to 1 by conductance. If you solve it, 1 by 2.45, it will be giving you 4.1 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Can you move ahead? 16. Done? Anyone have done it? EMF is given 8. To know is the problem. EMF is given 12 volt. Internal resistance is also given 0.055. If the starter motor draws, the current is also given. Terminal voltage. What is that? Formula. V is equal to EMF E minus current into internal resistance R or not. Tell me yes or no. Yes or no. This is my terminal voltage. What happened? This is my EMF. This is my current. And this is my internal resistance. Yes or no? Now, one of the most important point, if I give you resistance in the series, R will be R plus R. Got it or not? If it is in parallel, we'll have to calculate the effective resistance then. Got it or not? Okay. So this is the most important property. So V will be NFE 12 minus 90 into 0.05. Got it or not? 100 down. Others do not talk. 5 2s are 10. 24 minus 9 divided by 2. Yes or no? Do it fast. 24. That is what? 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is what? 7.5 volts. Yes or no? So 16 is option D. Correct. What happened? 5 2s are 10. 12 2s are 24 minus 9. Do it fast. When you learn things. level 2 question ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ question. Try to solve this question. Try to solve this question. This is level 2 and the best problem. This is till the 30 question, this is the best problem. If you can solve it, your concept is perfectly clear in all the subjects. Yes. All your whole current capacity is correct if you can solve this problem. What it is saying, the momentum acquired by electrons in 10 centimeter of wire when current of 1 ampere starts to flow. Okay, first important thing, momentum. What is the momentum formula? Momentum is what? P is equal to mass into velocity or not? Yes or no? Inside the wire, electrons does not move with speed of light. It moves with which speed? It moves with drift velocity. Inside, first concept is what? Inside the conductor, speed of electron is equal to drift velocity. Yes or no? Sir. Oh, I am writing drift velocity is spelling wrong. Drift velocity. So this momentum will be mass of electron into drift velocity. Yes or no? Drift velocity is what? You know, I is equal to NEA VD. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, so drift velocity will be what? Current by NE into area. But here only length is mentioned. Yes or no? So this is the most important question. How to solve this? So momentum is equal to mass into current divided by n into charge of one electron into area. Got it or not? Yes or no? Yes. This till this it was very much correct. But what is left? You try to understand. What is left over here? How come the length will appear? You need to understand about that. Okay, so this is the momentum of one electron or not? Tell me yes or no? Guys, this is the momentum of one electron or not? Sir. But try to understand, if I consider a wire of cross-sectional area A and of length L, I will have many electrons or not? Tell me. I will have many electrons or not? For those all of the electrons, I will have total sum of momentum or not? Tell me yes or no? So here it is asking the total momentum. Yes? Yes or no? Sir. So for all those number of electrons, what will be total momentum? So total momentum will be multiplication of the electrons, number of electrons present in that cross-sectional area. Got it or not? What that number of electrons will be? What is the number of electrons that is present into this area of cross-sectional length L? It will be what? It will be number density n prime. It will be how much? It will be total number of electrons into area A into length L. Yes or no? This will be the formula or not? This will be the total number of electrons that will be moving through this particular wire or not? Tell me yes or no? For all of these electrons, I'll get a momentum. So therefore, momentum will be mass of electron into current I divided by number of electrons into charge of one electron into area into another thing, that is number of electrons present into or number density into length into area. Area got cancelled and got cancelled. So momentum inside the wire is given as mass of electron I into length L divided by charge of one electron. Got it or not? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Okay, do it. Do it fast. Hello? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm taking the class of second PU. Yes, sir. All are there. All are there. Huh. Those who gave the test today. Huh. Huh. Yes, sir. Just Divya and that Rakshita is not there. Rakshita Prasad. Actually, they were telling like they have tomorrow physics test also, so they need to prepare for that. They told, sir, I'll give you give me the whole paper of solution key and we'll solve it, sir. So they have told like they will show me in the evening. Yeah, they took my permission, sir. Yeah. All till now I have discussed around 17 problems. Yes, sir. Now I'm also discussing instead. No, no, no. First PUC I have done about 27 to 30 problems. Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. Uh, these parents will kill me one day. And these parents are. Sometimes I'm very much scared of the parents. Arey Baba, and especially sickness. Okay. So this time it was sickness. He was standing with one parent. Okay. No problem. Can you move ahead? Sir. Question number 18. Question number 18. Can you do it? What is saying? Five resistance are being connected as shown in figure. Now here you can apply that Wheatstone bridge principle. Yes or no? First check whether it is a Wheatstone bridge or not. Okay. So what is that? What is that condition? Let's suppose this is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S. Remember, two steps you have to apply. First, check P by Q is equal to R by S, or check P by R is equal to Q by S. Both of them, in both of the condition, it will be working as a Wheatstone bridge, right or not? Okay. Either P by Q is equal to R by S, or either P by R is equal to Q by S, either vertically or horizontally, got it or not? So it is 3 by 6 is equal to 4 by 8, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. That means what? It is a Wheatstone bridge. This 7, the current through this 7 will be how much? 0. Yes or no? So what is the connection I get? I get it as 3, I get this as 6, this as boom, boom, 4, and this is at 8. Do it. Can you do it or not? Tell me. This is 3 plus 4. What is that? 7. This is what? 8, 6, 14. So R effective becomes what? R effective becomes what? 14 into 7 divided by 14 plus 7. Got it or not? How much is this? 14 into 7 divided by 21. Na? 7 3s are 21, 41, 14 by 3. That is 2.666, something like that will appear. So option D, I think it is correct. Means check. Option D is correct, na? Option B it is coming. 3 4s are 12. Sorry. Option B is correct. Correct, teacher. Can I move ahead? Yes or no? Yes, sir. 19. R1 and R2, 8. Tumma is the problem, na? What is given? R1 and R2 are the resistance of the filaments of 200 watt and 100 watt electric bulbs operating at same voltage 220 volts. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Voltage is given 220. Power of 1 is given, that is 200. Power voltage is same for second also 220. Power is also different, which is equal to 100. Yes or no? So what will be different? R1 and R2 will be different or not? Why? Because power are different, right or not? What is the relation between power in terms of voltage and R? It is equal to P is equal to V. What is the formula of power? Power is equal to I square R in terms of current and resistance. I is what? Voltage by resistance or not? Tell me, sir. I is equal to potential difference by resistance in terms of Ohm's law. So it will be V square by R. So power is equal to what? V square by R. Got it or not? So that means what? If V is constant, it will be what? Root over power into resistance. Yes or no? Yes or no? So can I take V1 by V2 is equal to root over P1 R1 divided by P2 R2. Yes or no? Yes or no? Can I write like this or not? Can I write like this or not? So V1 by V2 is similar. 1 is equal to root over P1 is what? 200. R1 you need to know. P2 is 100. R2 you need to know. 100 it is 2. Root goes over there. That means this is 1. So 2 by 1 into R1 by R2. If you take what we have to tell, we have to choose from this option. So can I say that R2 is nothing but it is equal to twice of R1? Yes or no? Yes or no? So option C is correct. 19 option C is correct. Got it or not? Any kind of doubt? No, no. Any kind of doubt? Anyone? Can you move ahead? 20. Previous question. Okay, write it fast. Chandra, write it fast. Ejlas, are you able to get it? Can you do this problem or not? Can you move to next part, Chandra? Okay. The sensitivity of galvanometer, look over here. The sensitivity of galvanometer of resistance 406 ohm is increased by 30 times. The shunt used it. Are you aware of this concept? Okay. So little bit of galvanometer. Okay, what is the work of galvanometer? Can you tell me? It tells about the current or not. It tells about the current or not. Tell me. Yes or no? The work of galvanometer is to tell about current. Okay. So just like Chandru, he tells about different which kind of rat he is going to. Chandru, sorry Chandru. Will not kill me, na Chandru. Okay. Okay. So this is my galvanometer. Hey, listen. Now come over here. This is my galvanometer. Listen. And I connect one resistance with it. Okay. So if see, try to understand. Two cases are there. First case is like this way. Second case is connection of galvanometer directly with the wire. Okay. Have you seen the galvanometer? You didn't have seen galvanometer. Okay. Wait. Mm-hmm. But this is the galvanometer. Got it or not? Huh? So try to understand this this particular clock means in this particular range of different values. Okay. This is my some kind of hand over here or not? Tell me so. This hand will shift in another directions or not? Try to understand if this particular hand, this particular meter over here means this is showing what we say in English. What we say? Pointer. Okay, let us call this as pointer. Chandrusri have given one word for it. Pointer. So try to understand if this pointer moves over here, if it moves to this point, it will give you, it will tell you about the amount of current or not. Tell me some. Yes or no? So one of the major important point is if this pointer moves to this point, if it moves by what thing? If it moves by some angle theta, it will tell about the current or not. Yes or no? Yes or no? So this is the important point. If you want to calculate, so in galvanometer, if you want to know about the current, it is nothing but it is equal to theta by resistance of the galvanometer. What it is equal to? Sorry. If you want to say about resistance, or I say it, okay, some quantity G is given as theta by current of the galvanometer, right? It is equal to theta by current of the galvanometer. Understood or not? Tell me. The amount of current, try to understand, galvanometer shows what? Current. If the total current is passing as IZ, then galvanometer will deflect by some angle theta. That this implies what? If you want to calculate the effectiveness of galvanometer, this will be given by G is equal to theta by IZ. Understood or not? The amount of current. How we will know that the galvanometer is perfect? If I pass 5 ampere, it will be rotated by 5 amperes or not? Tell me yes or no. So if you divide theta by 5 ampere, it should be giving one answer or not? Tell me yes or no. Are you able to understand or not what I am trying to say? So the if it is a 100% perfect galvanometer, theta by Ac should be equal to 1. Understood or not? You are able to understand? Yes or no? Next, if I consider this line, like if I pass total current over here as I, if I connect one resistance as parallel over here, this resistance is called as shunt resistance. What it is called as? Shunt resistance. It is denoted by S. Understood or not? So if I is passed, one current will pass through the shunt, another current will pass through the galvanometer or not? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no. And this time deflection will be different or not? So deflection, this particular G prime here, this G prime means here particular G prime will be equal to what? It will be again theta, but this time it will be current, different current I or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? So try to understand what it is saying. Sensitivity, what is there? Sensitivity of galvanometer of resistance 406 ohm is increased by 30 times. How it is increased? It is increased by 30 times. So try to understand, when you add the shunt, then only the galvanometer resistance sensitivity increases. So G prime is what? Can I say that this is the sensitivity, initial sensitivity, this is my final sensitivity. What is my initial sensitivity? G. Without any resistor. With the resistor, I have the sensitivity G prime. Got it or not? Yes or no? So what is happening? G prime, can I say that G prime is increased by 30 times? Yes or no? So what will happen? You will write, try to understand. First important thing. How to understand sensitive? What is sensitive? If I like, if I just pinch you, you will feel it or not? Tell me so. You will move your hands back or not? So if I pass a current, it will deflect or not? Tell me so. So if the deflection is perfect, means if theta is V divided by current, it will give you the pinching ability of what? Galvanometer. Understood or not? If you add the resistance, if you try to understand, if I just put you in cold water, your sensitivity decreases or not? Tell me yes or no. It is going to decrease. But if I put you in hot condition, your sensitivity will increase. So this is galvanometer. If I add the resistance, what is going to happen? Some current is going to reduce and the theta value will decrease. Understood or not? So G prime is G prime. This sensitivity of galvanometer, we are saying that it is increasing by 30 times. So that means what? That new sensitivity is 30 times of the initial sensitivity. Yes or no? Yes or no? So G prime is what? Theta by I, and G is what? 30 into G by IZ. Got it or not? Yes or no? G, sorry, theta got cancelled. Or current, if I can say, this current is how much? This current is nothing but, or I can write now, sorry, I can write IZ is equal to 30 into current. Can I write like this or not? Tell me yes or no? So if you add the shunt, if the amount of sensitivity will be increased in the galvanometer, will be the total amount of current increases in the galvanometer. Understood or not? Yes or no? Are you able to understand this whole step? Next process is, be silent. Next process is what? I can I write I is equal to IC plus IS or not? Can I write equal to I is equal to IC plus IS or not? Tell me yes or no? So this total current, let's suppose if this total current, if I want to find out, then what is the value if I just add it? So try to understand, this galvanometer has some resistance R. How much is the resistance of galvanometer? R. Okay. So you have the formula for R effective, right? R effective will be what? It will be shunt resistance into total resistance of the galvanometer divided by S plus R. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, R effective, can I try to understand? R effective divided by voltage. If I do, and here I can write it as now. If I divide here by voltage, I'll have to divide this whole term again by voltage or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? So R effective by voltage is what? Total current. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no, guys. Second thing, R by V. R by V. Try to understand. This is my potential difference V. R by V is IZ or not? Tell me yes or no? Yes or no? So A X into S by S plus R by V is what? Ig. So actually, if you have a shunt resistor, try to understand. Two formulas are there, guys. Two formulas are there. If you have a shunt resistor, means if you have a resistor which increases the sensitivity, and if I pass the total current, then this total current is equal to shunt resistance divided by shunt resistance plus resistivity. Resistance R means the galvanometer resistance into galvanometer current. Understood or not? Guys, are you able to understand? Two processes, one deflection formula, another formula for the shunt. Remember that if I add the shunt, what will happen? The deflection will either decrease or increase. Understood or not? Here it is telling increases by 30 times. So here therefore I have written that new G prime is equal to 30 times of initial G. Understood or not? Yes or no? If I add the shunt, there are two currents, one IC current, one IS current. Current passing through the shunt, current passing through the galvanometer. So current passing through the galvanometer will be what? Galvanometer resistance divided by, like, what will be the, try to understand. This is my voltage V or not? This is my 0 volt. Yes or no? Yes or no? So therefore, this I can write now. Galvanometer resistance is equal to current galvanometer into voltage. So therefore, R by V is equal to current of the galvanometer. Understood or not? Yes or no? So now this is I S by S plus R. What is current through galvanometer? It is equal to 30I or not? If I increase it by 30 times, yes or no? So 30I, I got cancelled. This is S plus R is equal to 30 into S. Resistance becomes how much? Resistance is equal to nothing but 29 into shunt resistance. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now try to understand. Total resistance is given how much? 406. So shunt resistance is what? 406 by 29. How much is that? 406 by 29. Do it. How much is this? 14 now? It is 14. 20 option. Be understood or not? Again, I'm going to do this in class. Again, you will get to understand about this. Okay. Can I move ahead? Wait, five more questions. Last five more questions. Otherwise, I will be clear. A 50-volt battery is connected across 10 ohm resistor. A 50-volt battery is connected across 10 ohm resistor. The current is 4.5 ohm. Internal resistance of battery. Easy or not? Yes or no? So V is equal to what? Can I apply this? What happened? Option C. Question number. Wait, let me see. Just I'll do it fast. Wait. Yeah, option C is correct. So V is equal to what I will apply? Hey, do not talk now. Anuj, look over here. What I will apply? I is equal to V by R plus R or not? Tell me so no. This is the formula I will apply or not? Yes, sir. Voltage is given 50. 10 ohm is the main resistor. 10 ohm internal resistor you have to calculate. Current is 4.5. So it is equal to 4.5 ampere. We will solve it and get the answer 1.1 or not? Yes, sir. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Understood or not? This question? Chandrasekhar, done. If I have a resistor, I connect with battery. Internal resistance is small r. V, try to understand. This is resistance R, small resistance R. This is of EMF V. Got it or not? Okay. So it has EMF E. So therefore, this current passing through it will be EMF E by R plus R. Remember that battery is told a 50-volt battery. That means what? EMF will be equal to potential difference. That is 50 divided by 10 plus R. Got it or not? Again, I have solved 22. 21 again. Number is 22. 22. Okay. Mark 22 as option D. I'll solve it later, okay? You might need to solve in class, okay? 23. Similar question or not? Similar question or not? Tell me. What formula here I will apply? V is equal to EMF E minus I R plus R or not? Tell me yes or no? Yes or no? This formula will be applied or not? This formula will not possible. Okay. So V is equal to EMF 0.5 to 1.2 minus. His current is given. Oh shit. Wait. Little problem is there. Current is not given over here. Okay. So first you need to calculate one important thing. EMF is mentioned. Internal resistance is mentioned. Okay. So V is equal to EMF E minus I into resistor R. Okay. Another formula is V is equal to I into capital resistance R or not. Yes or no? Yes or no? So try to understand. I can put now I into R is equal to EMF E minus I into small r. Yes or no? I is I need to calculate. Capital resistance is how much? 0.5 is equal to EMF is what? 1.2 minus I into internal resistance is how much? Okay, internal resistance is also similar 0.5. Yes or no? So this will be becoming what? It will be 2 into I into 0.5 is equal to 2 into I into 0.5 is equal to how much? 1.2. So 0.5 by 10, 1.10 got cancelled, 5 2s are 10. I is equal to again how much? 1.2. Yes or no? I is equal to how much amperes? 1.2 amperes. So can we put in any of these equation, you will get the voltage or not? So voltage is equal to 1.2 into resistance 0.5 and 12 times is 60, 60 by 10. Hey, I'm getting 6 volt. Hmm? Is there any kind of mistake anywhere? Mm. Mm-hmm. It is correct now. What? No, no. Current I am getting at 1.2 amperes. Okay. 23, it is option B, 1.1 volt. It is correct. Yeah. Potential drop across the resistor is 1.2 into 0.5 by 10. 0.5. Mm. What happened? I think it is. So I'm saying the question is wrong or what? 0.5 ohm and connected to resistance of 0.5. So V is equal to IR. Wait. This will be added, I think. Oh, shit. Mm. Hey, what is happening? I think in this question. Wait. No. resistance of 0.5, the potential drop across the resistor. Current is coming, correct? V is equal to IR and I into internal resistance R. What happened? What you guys are doing?
Computer.
They're running the computers.
Sir. Sir. User admit 1, 2, 3.
Wait, wait. 0.5. Hey, you just check once. Okay. थोड़ा जरा अभी अभी तक लाइट नहीं है क्या? अरे यार. I think it will be 0.6 volts. Got it or not? Okay. V is equal to 0.6 volt. Okay, let's check into this question. Huh? Huh? Will not put the grace. Okay. It is. No, 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 no. It is not same. Okay. 0.5, 0.5. I think here 0.5 will be added. Got it or not? Okay. I'll just check once. Because it is asking potential drop across the resistor. Okay. Can you solve next question? Hey, this is easy. Yes or no? Voltage is just off. Just 5 minutes. एक मिनट 5 मिनट आप ऑफ कर दो. Okay. Hey, voltage is given, power is given. You'll get the resistance. Yes or no? Sorry, it should be 220 watt and a 100 watt lamp is connected to 220 volt power supply. What is the power consumed? Okay. What is the total power consumed? You have to calculate, got it or not? Is it going to be more than 100? Less than 200? Less than 200 or not? Tell me. If I am connecting, like, try to understand. P is equal to, what is the relation? P is equal to V square by R or not? Listen me. P is equal to V square by R or not? Yes. For first bulb, one by different resistance will be there. For another bulb, different resistance will be there. So effective power will have also the similar formula as 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2. When you connect these bulbs in series, understood or not? Power becomes in terms of parallel connectivity, got it or not? And you know that this range lies between the lowest, which is 100. This PA effective lies between the lowest, that is 100, and it should be less than 220. Got it or not? Yes or no? Whenever you take the parallel connection, the range is like this. Okay. R effective or R parallel will be more than R1, less than R2. Understood or not? Yes or no? Yes, sir. So it will be more than 100. So 24 is option C. Let me just check. 24 is option A, 100 watt. Okay, so you calculate it. Can you calculate it or not? Yes, sir. Voltage is similar. Voltage is similar. Okay. So 1 by 220 plus 1 by 100. Okay, if you solve it, you will get the answer. Got it or not? 220 will be the LCM. 220, that is 1 plus 100 now. Yes or no? Sorry. Okay. So this is 1 by P. P is equal to 220 by how much? 220. 1. Right or not? Okay. So you can wait. You have to take the LCM. Jare Baba, what my mind is doing? Okay. It's not correct. What you do? You take the LCM first. When you take the LCM, you will get the answer. Got it or not? Okay. So it will be this power should come as 100 watt. Okay. But this trick will be definitely there. This trick will be definitely there. Understood or not? Yes, guys, can you do it or not? Can you try this? You try this. After this step, it is your work. Okay. Answer is option A. Okay. Means accurate answer is coming. Answer is option A for this. Okay. Last question, 25. Oh, shit. Anyone have done it? No, sir. No, no. Okay, then leave it. is connected with potential difference. I'll do this problem later. Okay. 25 option. Okay, it's not here. It will be in your answer key. 25 is option B. Option B is correct. But I'll give you details also of this problem. Got it or not? Okay. But I'll give it later. Okay. So still how many questions are left? 25 to 40. Tomorrow evening. Tomorrow evening, similar lab here. Okay. 9:30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ